Gas stations hate this simple trick. I was spending $300 a month on gas every single week. Pump, pay, drive, repeat. And then I stumbled onto a $1 fix that literally cut my fill-ups in half. I'm going to show you exactly what it is and exactly how to use it in the next 6 minutes. And honestly, you're going to be mad you didn't know this sooner. If you want tricks like this every single week, hit subscribe right now. It's completely free and you will save hundreds this year. Okay, let's get into it.
103 Al. Yeah, they got him a white baseball cap on. Not at the time, but they said they both say mid-20s.
Here's the thing nobody tells you. 6 months ago, I was averaging maybe 22, 23 miles per gallon. I'd fill up on Monday. By Thursday, I'm back at the pump. Monday, Thursday, Monday, Thursday, every single week. At $4 a gallon, that's not just annoying. That is cash walking straight out of your wallet and into the gas station's register. I bet you've been there. You pull up to the pump, you see the total climbing past 60, 70, 80 bucks, and you just stand there thinking, seriously? Yeah, that was me every week. So here's how I found this, and I want to be honest, it was completely by accident. I was reading through my car's owner's manual. Yeah, I actually did that, don't judge me. And I found something buried on page 47 that most people never see. I almost ignored it, honestly. I thought it was too simple to actually work. I thought there is no way this little $1 thing makes any real difference. So I tried it anyway. And what happened next genuinely surprised me. Let me show you what bad fuel efficiency is actually costing you, because this number is going to sting a little. At 22 miles per gallon, driving an average 15,000 miles a year at $4 a gallon, you're spending over $2,700 per year just on gas. Now, bump that to 31 miles per gallon, you're saving nearly $800 a year. The fix? $1. Quick question for you right now. How much do you spend on gas every month? Just drop the number in the comments below. Drop it right now while you're watching. I will personally tell you exactly how much this fix is going to save you specifically. Okay, you ready for the reveal? I've been doing this channel for a while now. We've covered fuel injector cleaners, air filters, premium gas myths, and this is the one that gets the most reaction every single time I mention it. Because it is so simple, it's almost offensive. Okay, you ready? A tire pressure gauge. You can grab one at any gas station, any auto parts store, or on Amazon for literally $1. I see your face right now. You're looking at this going, that's it? Yeah, that's it. And here's the crazy simple reason it actually works and why most drivers are losing miles per gallon every single day without even knowing it. Here's the simple reason it works. When your tires are even 4 psi below the recommended pressure, that's less than you'd notice just by looking. Your engine has to work significantly harder to move the car forward. More resistance, more fuel burned, more money gone. Think of it like riding a bicycle with flat tires versus fully inflated ones. With flat tires, you're exhausted after one block. Properly inflated, you're flying. Your car works the exact same way. And the Department of Energy actually confirms this. Properly inflated tires improve gas mileage by up to 3% per tire. 4 tires, 3% each. You do the math. Now, let me show you exactly how to do this. 3 steps, takes 2 minutes, 0 tools required. Step 1, and this is where most people make the first mistake. Find out what your correct tire pressure actually is. Open your driver's side door. Right on the door frame, there's a sticker. That sticker tells you the exact PSI your tires should be. Here's the critical mistake. Do not use the number printed on the tire itself. That number on the sidewall, that's the maximum pressure the tire can hold, not what your car needs. Big difference. Why does this matter? Because overfilling is just as bad as underfilling. You want the door jam number. Memorize it. Most cars run between 30 and 36 PSI. Write yours down right now. Step 2, check what your tires are actually sitting at right now. Take the cap off the valve stem, that little black nub on your wheel, press your dollar gauge firmly onto it and read the number. Pro tip, check your tires when they're cold, meaning you haven't driven more than a mile in the last 3 hours. Heat from driving artificially inflates the reading by 4 to 6 psi, and you'll think you're fine when you're actually not. Also, morning before your commute, that's your perfect window. If you're following along right now, you are already doing better than 90% of drivers out there who have absolutely no idea this is affecting their gas mileage every single day. Smash that like button if this is already making sense. It seriously helps other people find this video. Step 3, and this is the 2-minute part that saves you hundreds of dollars. Head to any gas station, most have a free or 50-cent air pump, and fill each tire to the PSI number from that door sticker. Add air in short bursts, check the gauge after each one. Go around all 4 tires. Takes less than 2 minutes. Even a 10-year-old can do this. You literally cannot mess this up. And the next time you fill up at the pump, you are going to notice the difference. Your car is literally going to feel smoother, more responsive, and your MPG, watch that number climb. Drop done in the comments when you finished all 3 tires. I want to see how many of you are doing this today. Now I know some of you are still thinking, okay, but does this actually work? Like, really work? Let me show you my numbers. Before I started checking my tire pressure weekly, I was averaging 24 miles per gallon. After, consistently hitting 31 miles per gallon. That's 7 miles per gallon from a $1 gauge and 2 minutes of my time. That's $67 back in my pocket every single month. $804 a year. $800 from a $1 fix. Let that land for a second. And look, it's not just me. This is backed by hard science. The U.S. Department of Energy lists tire pressure as the #1 overlooked factor in fuel efficiency. Car manufacturers build the recommendation right into your door jamb because they know how much it matters. Thousands of people in this community have tried this. The average result? 4 to 7 miles per gallon improvement every single time. Think about it this way. If your tires are underinflated, your engine is dragging extra resistance on every single rotation of every single wheel on every single drive. Of course, fixing that saves fuel. It's just physics. Keep your money in your pocket. Before I wrap up, here's a bonus tip that stacks on top of this and squeezes even more MPG out of your car, completely free. Here's the thing nobody talks about. Above 60 miles per hour, your fuel efficiency drops sharply due to wind resistance. Every 5 miles per hour over 60 costs you roughly 7% more in fuel. So stack these two, correct tire pressure and keeping highway speeds closer to 60 instead of 75, and you could be looking at 10 or more extra miles per gallon combined. That's another $40 to $60 a month, just gone, back in your wallet. And hey, I've put together a completely free PDF called 50 Money-Saving Car Hacks that includes this fix plus 49 others just like it. The link is in the description right now. No email required, just click and download. It is my gift to you for watching. Grab it before you close this video. If this just saved you money, hit that like button right now. Seriously, do it. Subscribe if you haven't already. We drop tricks exactly like this every single Tuesday and Friday, completely free. You will save hundreds this year just by watching. Now, most important thing, drop a comment and tell me, what car are you driving and how much do you spend on gas every month?
I will calculate your exact savings right there in the comments for free. And next Tuesday, I'm revealing the 5 oil change lies that mechanics are using to drain your wallet, up to $300 a year. You are going to be absolutely furious. Do not miss it. Until then, keep that money in your pocket. This is Car Secret Hacks. See you Tuesday.